Somewhere right now, there is a price tag on your name, your email, your password, maybe even your bank login. All of it, for sale, not in some secret hacker lair, on an actual marketplace, with listings, prices, even customer reviews. This is the dark web, and today we're breaking down exactly what it is, what's on it, what your data is worth, and how it ends up there in the first place. To understand this, picture the internet as an iceberg with 3 layers. The top layer, above the water, is the surface web. This is everything Google can find. Websites, videos, news articles, social media. The surface web is actually the smallest part of the internet, only a tiny fraction of everything that exists online. Below the surface is the deep web, and this is huge. Around 90 to 96% of the entire internet lives here. The deep web isn't scary or illegal. It's your email inbox, your online banking portal, your medical records, private cloud files, anything behind a login that search engines can't crawl. You use the deep web every single day without thinking about it. At the very bottom, the smallest, deepest part, is the dark web. It makes up roughly 0.01% of the internet. To access it, you need special software, most commonly a browser called Tor, which hides your location and identity through layers of encryption. Millions of people use it every single day. Estimates put daily Tor users in the range of 2 to 3 million worldwide. So what is actually on the dark web? It's a mix, and the proportions matter. Studies estimate that roughly 60% of dark websites involve illegal activity or stolen data in some form. But the dark web is not only criminals. Journalists use it to communicate with sources safely in countries with censorship. Researchers and cybersecurity teams use it to track stolen data and emerging threats. And privacy-focused individuals use it simply to browse without being tracked. But the criminal side is where the real economy is, and it's enormous. Dark web sales were estimated at over $2.6 billion in 2025 alone. And right now, there are more than 15 billion stolen login credentials circulating on these marketplaces. Now here's the part that gets people's attention. What is your data actually worth on these marketplaces? Let's start small. Your basic personal information, name, address, phone number, email, sells for as little as $1. A social security number alone goes for about $1 to $6. A stolen credit card number without the security code sells for around $5 to $10. With the CVV code, it jumps to $10 to $40. A full identity package, name, address, social security number, date of birth, sometimes even a scanned ID, is called a Fullz package. These sell for $20 to $100. Scanned passports sell for around $50. Driver's licenses around $35. Streaming service logins are surprisingly cheap. A Netflix account goes for under $5. Social media and payment accounts are worth more because of what they unlock. A hacked PayPal account averages around $100. Verified cryptocurrency exchange accounts are even more valuable. Some sell for over $1,000 because the funds inside can be moved instantly and almost untraceably. And at the very top of the price list, corporate network access. A single login with administrator-level access to a company's systems can sell for tens of thousands of dollars. Why so much? Because that single login can be the starting point for a ransomware attack on an entire company. So how does your information actually end up on one of these lists in the first place? Most often, it starts with a data breach. A company you have an account with gets hacked, and their entire customer database is stolen. That stolen database is then uploaded to a dark web marketplace, often within days of the breach happening. Sometimes it happens through malware on your own device. A stealer program quietly collects your saved passwords and sends them to an attacker. And sometimes it's through phishing. You're tricked into typing your password into a fake page, and it goes straight into one of these databases. Here's exactly what you can do to protect yourself, starting today. Tip 1. Use a unique password for every account. If one password leaks, it should not unlock everything else. Tip 2. Use a password manager. It generates and stores strong, unique passwords, so you don't have to remember them. Tip 3. Turn on two-factor authentication everywhere it's offered. Even if your password leaks, this adds a second lock the attacker doesn't have. Tip 4. Check if your information has already been exposed. Free tools let you search your email address against known data breaches. Tip 5. If you discover you've been part of a breach, change that password immediately and change it everywhere else you reused it. Tip 6. Be skeptical of unexpected emails asking you to log in or verify your account. That's how stolen credentials usually start. The dark web isn't some far-off mystery. It's a real, active marketplace, and your information has a price tag whether you like it or not. But now you know what's down there, what it costs, and exactly how to make your information less valuable to the people selling it. Share this with someone who reuses the same password everywhere. It might be the push they need. Subscribe to CyberFact for a new episode every week. Stay aware, stay secure,